Okay, we're in the luxurious Benchmark Hotel. We're going up to, where'd you go? There you are. We're going to the elevator. It's about floor number 2, I believe. It's a tiny little elevator.
Ceiling. And now we're on the second floor.
Come on. Follow me.
We're gonna see what they got in here. Not a Coke, that'll keep you up all night, won't it?
I love Coke.
Yeah, I know, but it's full of caffeine and sugar.
Yeah, I love Coke. I don't do this to keep me out. I really want it.
This says banana pineapple something down
Oh,
there.
give me a banana pineapple tonight, please.
Yeah, that sounds better, doesn't it? You know how much it says it takes? A $1.25. You have a quarter?
No. Will it take $2 and
Anybody
give
got a
change?
quarter?
Oh, it doesn't take change?
Yeah, it does. If you have a quarter.
Yeah, no, I said a couple of times I don't have a quarter.
Nobody?
Anybody got a quarter?
But I'm looking, I might. Oh, it was only a penny.
Guess nobody has a quarter.
How many of these are we gonna get?
Well, if it's $1.25 and you put $2 in, my guess is you can only get one.
Yes, but I could put additional money in and get additional ones if additional people would like additional banana, pineapple, additional.
I want 2 of those because I'll have one now and then I'll have one in the morning or something.
But you might have to just come down here in the morning and get your cold one.
I'm wondering how long this takes now.
I don't know. I pushed the button. You should have pushed the button. You like to push the buttons. Oh, it's right here. I pushed it.
You have $1 in there and it takes
Oh, that's
$1.25.
I hate vending machines.
No, it's not the machine. It's the person putting in the dollar.
You need to put in more or equal to the amount of money it takes to purchase it.
It was just
And then it gives you change.
I gotta see if it's any good. You want one?
Nope.
I might want one. That's good. I'll keep this one and get you one, because I got germs. Ooh, Justin needs that one. That's a new one. Check that one out. I don't know if I've seen that one.
Watch this. I learned that from Chuck Jones, the Magic Man. When I was about 8 years old. A little rusty. It's my one glove. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Is that a new quarter? Or you have the one with the little bull on it?
I don't know.
It's my room. Number 227.
Remember the show Room 222? Did you ever watch that show?
1973,
Uh-huh.
starring Karen Valentine and Leonard Johansson.
Oh,
Yeah. And Diane Carroll as
hold the door.
Good night, Blue Stew.
Counselors.
Good night.
Good night,
Get
people.
lonesome, come visit.
See you tomorrow on Beale Street.
Get lonesome, you know where we are. You dropped your glove. Night. Sweet dreams.